I am absolutely done with my daughters making messes like this and thinking it's okay because it's my makeup in my bathroom. So, joke's on them. They won't be able to get in my bathroom if their fingerprint doesn't work anymore. So, this is mine now. I'm installing this right now. Hey girls, can y'all come play in my makeup? Can y'all come play in my makeup?
What? Okay. The door, it's a safety door, only your hand can get in. I'm smart about that. Ding ding!
Oh, my makeup! I love him! Ready? As you wish.